Want to open a US bank account instantly? Here's the secret. Start by choosing a bank that offers instant online approvals. Have two forms of ID, government photo ID and a secondary ID. Prepare proof of address, recent utility bill, lease, or bank statement. Provide your social security number or ITIN. Non-residents may use a passport. Finish with an initial deposit using debit card, ACH, or mobile transfer. Step 1. Complete the online application with your exact legal name. Step 2. Upload clear photos of IDs and your proof of address. Step 3. Enter your SSN or select the non-resident option and add passport details. Step 4. Fund the account instantly to trigger automatic verification and approval. Step 5. Verify your identity, e-sign documents, and answer security prompts. You're approved. Save the confirmation, download the digital card, and enable alerts.